Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 7:55 p.m. and today is 9th of September 2020. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Astha Trade, right? So here we go with new analysis, new trades. But before we go on to the new trades, just notice that these are the ways you can reach out to my team. You can reach us out, on the on the Telegram channel or you can follow me all these places, right? So this is our Telegram channel, website, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and YouTube, right? So continue following me. We do a lot of research to provide you very good trades. And if you are present on my channel, you must have seen we have given these are the trades that I have given to my students. 𝐻𝐸𝐳 CP, Escorts, Amara Raja, right? And we have also taken a trade in Reliance and Hindu Unilever, right? So Reliance, if you see, the Escorts just continuously kept on moving, right? Escort just continuously kept on moving, and there was no stopping, there was no looking back. And see here, it just was in a unidirection. Entire day it was in a unidirection. And another trade that was continuously going heading up without coming back to hit the stop loss was Amara Raja battery. Have a look at Amara Raja battery. What a beautiful blast it has given. It's just been in a unidirectional, single direction move. It followed. So, and even Reliance for that matter was like that. Reliance, Escorts, and we also had Cipla on our radar. Cipla was also a unidirectional trade, right? So anyway, that was on my channel. So be present here so that you can get the timely notification and you can trade and make good money. So I have come up with some stocks for you people, right? Before I go on to that, let's see what is happening to the stocks that I have suggested. One of them is TCS, right? TCS had given a very good move yesterday. It made a high of 2391, but this is okay, right? Our stop loss is going to be a little deep because we'll be having our stop loss somewhere here, around 2250, because our target is also very huge in TCS. So a little bit up and down goes on. Even Zeal is behaving the way I wanted, right? I said that if you remember my words, that I'm not wanting it to blast from here. I want it to come back, take a support, and then go up, right? So I still will wait for a few more days. It will go up and down, up and down. I want, like I'll tell you what exactly I want Zeal to do. I want Zeal to complete this, and maybe a few more days it just stands here. I think this is too big. It may not take that much time, right? So it will go like this, like this. So few more days, maybe 3, 4, or 5 days is what I'm expecting. After that, if it gives me a breakout, I'll be very happy, right? So keep it on your radar. And today what I'm going to discuss with you is three pharma stocks which are on my radar, which I feel will be very upcoming. And before that, have a look at the pharma sector. Pharma sector has taken a good support and bounced today. So the three stocks that I have on my radar, the first one is Dr. Reddy's, right? So Dr. Reddy's, if you notice, let me just remove it because that'll make you understand better. So it goes from here, right? Or rather, I would put this like this, right? Because here, this is the place buyers got activated, right? And it took support on this trend line for many days. If you notice here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this becomes a very important line, important trend line, or important support line for Dr. Reddy's, right? And then this is the trend line from the top, right? This is trend line from the top, right? So if you have a look, if this channel is broken, right? Let me just make it a little bit more interesting for you. So if this channel is broken, is broken, then we can expect a really good move up, right? And have a look at the RSI at the bottom, right? Have a look at the RSI at the bottom. That will also show you that the stock is slowly, gradually gaining the strength. See here, if you see. So when I'm taking a day time frame, it's not intraday trade, right? Please don't think that it is going to be an intraday trade. Somebody has written in the comment box, is it an intraday trade? No, it's not an intraday trade. It's a trade for few days at least, right? And the return that can be expected is always about 10%. So our stop loss is going to be 4320. Our buying is going to be above 4475, and our first target will be 4485, which is only 10 points, which doesn't sound too good. So our first target will be 4600, right? And then what can we expect? 4750 is what we can expect, right? That's for Dr. Reddy's. It looks very, very promising to me. Then we have Biocon today. Biocon, if you notice, I really like these kind of RSI movement. When the RSI takes a support on 60 and bounces from here, that's what it exactly Biocon is doing. So my buying level will be right at the top of this high, right? That's where we can enter. And so I'm going to enter above this place. This place is going to be my entry. And let's see if there is some kind of a trend this stock is following. So of course there are not many trend the support points here, right? But still, the first target, the moment it gets crossed, about 13 points can be surely expected, right? 447 is definitely a target that can be looked into, and the stop loss will be about 10 points, right? If the high is broken, I'm expecting this level to be touched, right, which is 447. If 447 is crossed, what I understand from here, that it will be at the lifetime high, right? When a stock is at its lifetime high, according to my perception, according to my understanding, it at least gives a 10% breakout, right? So 447 to 480 is what I definitely will be expecting, and if that's crossed, then I can definitely expect 500, right? 500 could be the final target in this run. The third stock that I have is the Tauren Pharma, right? Tauren Pharma also, look at this today's candle, right? Pretty much strong volume, strong strength, and look at the RSI at the bottom. That also looks very, very promising. If you just see here, how the prices, how the RSI has shifted, right? How RSI has shifted in the upward direction, right? So that is a very, very promising point. And above this place, above this particular space, we can expect a good move up in this particular stock, right? Let me extend it in the backward direction. So this candle has eaten up a lot of candles which were made in the past. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. I want a closing above this, right? If it closes above this place, which is 2840, 2830, it will give a good move up. And what could be our stop loss? Because it's a 2750, we can our entry will be at this point, 2835. Our stop loss is going to be about 20 points, 35. So our stop loss will be will be somewhere around 2780, right? About 50 points, 55 points stop loss. And our final target could be 3025, right? In between there will be stopovers. So first stopper will be about at 2800, then 2900, then it'll be at 2900, then 2950 is going to be the next stopover, and then the final target will be 3000, right? That's what I'm expecting. So these are the three pharma stocks: Dr. Reddy's, Biocon, Tauren Pharma. These are the three stocks, and I'm waiting for Zeal to give me a breakout. TCS has already given me a breakout, but I'm still expecting it to go further up, right? Now, again, if 2388 is crossed, we can definitely expect another move, a great move up. So let's wait for tomorrow. Let's see how market goes tomorrow or in the coming week. Probably we will get some good entry in TCS. But definitely it's a nice breakout that TCS has given. So just to close, once again, I'm your host. Please continue following me on my Telegram channel, be on the YouTube channel. If you make money, please write in the comment box. And before I forget, I have to answer one question. I have asked why TCS is time and again getting rejected at this place, right? And some of you have written answers, and most of you are my students, and that makes me feel happy. These are the places where option writers are active. Majorly, option writers are active, right? There's a secret behind it. Why? How do you know that this is where the option writers are active? So there's something which most people don't know, but I would not like to disclose it here, because some things should be this for the students, and that should be very, very special. So that I will tell them that why is it so, why this particular place is so prominent, right? How exactly FIs manipulate the data. That is what is the key point for us to understand why this gets rejection every time it reaches here. So all the best, keep learning, keep earning, keep making good money, and continue sharing my channel with others. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon for the next video. Bye bye.